Today we will go over the steps necessary to install Apex side panniers on your Pan America. Your package should include the following: 2 side panniers, 2 side racks, crossmember, 2 25mm long socket head screws, 4 45mm long socket head screws, 4 30mm long hex head screws. Remove your rear seat to expose the underlying screws. We will be using these 4 mounting points to install the bracket. Therefore, remove the existing OEM screws. Next, remove the 2 screws holding the footrest assembly in place. Place the right rack so it aligns with the footrest assembly and the seat area where you previously removed the screws. Once aligned, use the 2 30mm long hex head bolts to attach the top side of the side racks. Next, use the provided 45mm long pan head screws to install the rack to the footrest assembly. Do not fully tighten at this point. Repeat these steps for the left side rack. Connect the left and the right rack using the provided crossmember and the 25mm socket head screws. Use the provided collar nuts to fasten the screws. With the 2 side racks and the crossmember properly attached, tighten all the fasteners to the specified torque. Place the side pannier so the rod on the bag engages with the channel on the side rack. Disengage the lock by lifting the lever and push the top of the bag so the rack engages with the back of the bag. Push the lever down to lock the bag in place. Your racks come with keys so you can secure the side cases to the assembly and not worry about anyone taking off with your gear. Additionally, your panniers come with a buckle closure equipped with a numeric lock. Congratulations! Your panniers are now installed, and you are ready for an adventure.